So are you a flatlander or an aerialist? This is a visualization of a 207 megapixel image. It's an orthophoto created from 699 photos. It's sort of the typical view you might get from stitching together images. The quality of the image is really high, and if you're a flatlander, this might be the best that you'd expect. This is a much more dynamic visualization of the same imagery that was used to create the orthophoto. Here you can see you can fly through this environment and check out each little object. It's simply much more interesting to explore this space by flying through the 3D model. The model was created with Agisoft Metashape. All the images were aligned automatically, and then a meshed model was created. Finally, photo texturing was performed where all the images were projected back down onto the surface. I made this video to appeal to a friend. I'm trying to have them send me images they took at an event. It's about 700 images, and I'd love to make a different visualization for them. I'm more of an aerialist, and I love flying around and exploring properties that were imaged with drones. Here we can see where the drone actually took pictures. Most of the images were taken at an altitude of 230 feet. A note to my friend, please send me that data. I'd love to create a visualization like this of the area you imaged. Thanks for watching.